Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple email addresses to a contact in Hubspot. To do that, you first need to head over to your Hubspot dashboard. Now, once you're in there, go over to the CRM, and from there, click on Contacts. After clicking on Contacts, hover over the email property and click the pencil icon to edit. First, choose your contact's name. For example, let's select Rebecca. Click on the contact in order to open and edit their record. On the left sidebar, you'll see the existing email address listed. If you want to add another one, click on the Details section to expand it. From there, locate the email property and click Edit Property. This will open the property settings in a new tab. Once it loads, you'll be able to see the property settings. Here, you can review or adjust the object type if needed. You can also edit the property label, modify the field type, and check the available options. Look for the option that allows you to add an additional email address. If your account supports multiple email fields, you can enter the secondary email address there and save your changes. After saving, the additional email should now be associated with the contact record. So that's all there is for today. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.